Hey everyone, in this video we'll go through a beginner's guide to Epidemic Sound. In order to do so, first off, if we do a search for Epidemic Sound, then you'll find the official site. And with Epidemic, you can choose from 50,000 plus tracks and 200,000 plus sound effects in 170 plus genres in their audio library. So that gives you an idea of what Epidemic Sound is all about, and if that sounds like something that you're interested in, well, let's go ahead and click on the link here and see what we can expect with Epidemic Sound. So after clicking the link, and I have already created an account, so this is bringing us to this page here, start a trial to explore the library. And here you can see that you can start a free trial. Let's go ahead and click on that. And you will see now that you have two options, either to pay yearly or pay monthly. And you can see what the cost is for that. And then from there, if you want to proceed, you are going to need to click here where it says start free trial. So we'll just take a quick look at the differences here. With the personal, for $17.99 a month, you can publish anywhere online, monetize one channel per platform, unlimited downloads, access to the Epidemic Sound mobile app. Here in the commercial tier, you get everything that's in personal, plus you can monetize up to 3 channels per platform. You can publish content for clients and businesses. You get unlimited use in digital ads. With Enterprise, you might want to request a quote, and you get everything commercial, plus multiple user accounts, all rights covered for TV shows and ads, customer success manager and music curation, customized deal terms, and you can contact sales here. Let's go ahead and click on Start Free Trial so that you know what to expect. And when we click on that, you will then be taken to a page where you're going to have to enter in your billing information in order to proceed. So if you are interested in Epidemic Sound and you want to proceed from here, then this is where you are going to want to enter in your credit card information and then confirm and subscribe. That's as far as we're going to go for now. This is just to give you an idea as a beginner what to expect when you try to log in to Epidemic Sound and explore the catalog. It will not let you get through until you at least start a free trial, and you will be prompted to enter in your credit card information before you can proceed. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.